Our next thing in which we received feedback from was our ancillary products. Now, the first one I'm going to talk to you about is the draft version of our film review magazine. Mainly the problem with our film magazine review was the alignment issues throughout it. An example of this I'll talk to you about is the line under the Paul quote. It wasn't even, so like the line underneath was out more from under the Paul quote, and then there was nothing going out the other side from under the Paul quote, so it didn't match up, and it didn't look tidy, it didn't look that presentable. So obviously what we learned from this is when there's a line under the Paul quote, it needs to be even enough, and it can't even be just a few millimetres out, it needs to be even each side. So obviously what we did to this, we acted upon this. We changed the quote even, because also someone else thought the quote wasn't really good. They thought that the quote felt like it needs to continue on. So we changed the quote. We changed the Paul quote anyway. But also with the alignment issues under the Paul quote, we moved it over slightly so that it was equal each side, and then therefore the outcome of that was it looked more presentable and more tidy. There's also other feedback as well which we received for our film review magazines, but as you listen to it, the main one is of course